tired of clunky blenders that take up space or cheap stick blenders that barely do the job? You'd think finding a solid immersion blender under $100 would be easy until you're drowning in specs, wattage, ratings, and reviews that contradict each other. One wrong choice and you're stuck with a motor that overheats or blades that can't even handle cooked veggies. Stay till the end because I'll break down the key features to look for, share common traps to avoid, and help you pick the right blender without wasting a dime. At this price point, you should expect a strong motor, ideally between 300 to 500 watts, powerful enough for everything from creamy soups to chunky salsa. A stainless steel blending shaft is a must. It handles hot liquids safely and lasts far longer than plastic. Look for models with variable speed control or at least a 2-speed setting plus turbo mode, which gives you more control when switching from delicate sauces to tougher ingredients. Comfort and grip matter too. A slim, non-slip handle makes longer blending jobs much easier. And for cleanup, go with a detachable shaft and parts that are dishwasher safe. Lastly, stick with brands that offer US-based support, warranties, and strong user reviews, especially if you want something that'll last more than just a few batches of soup. Let's check out the 5 best immersion blenders that actually get the job done. And yep, you can grab them on Amazon using the links in the description. If you're after a straightforward, no-frills immersion blender that's both compact and capable, the Cuisinart Smart Stick 2-speed hand blender might be your match. With a 300-watt DC motor, it delivers solid blending power while staying impressively quiet. Whether you're whipping up a morning smoothie or blending hot soup straight in the pot, this stick-style blender gets the job done without the bulk of a countertop appliance. Its 8-inch stainless steel blending shaft is long enough to reach deep into pots, pitchers, and mixing bowls, perfect for soups, sauces, and shakes. The 2-speed slide control offers simple low and high options to suit different tasks. At just 1.5 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to handle, making it a go-to for quick blending jobs. When it's time to clean up, users appreciate how it comes apart easily and is fully dishwasher safe, which makes maintenance a breeze. The stainless steel material also holds up well and gives the tool a sleek, modern look. What customers say, they find it works well for smoothies and soups, offers excellent mixing performance, and is easy to clean. However, button design is a common complaint. Some users mention the need to press both buttons at once to operate, and the safety button is seen as frustrating by several reviewers. Who should buy it? Ideal for anyone who needs a compact, affordable blender for occasional use, especially for soups, shakes, or puree. If you want the power of a full-size blender in the palm of your hand, the Geniza 5-in-1 immersion blender is built to deliver. With a 1000-watt pure copper motor and a 4-blade stainless steel cutting assembly, this blender blends, whisks, froth, and chops with ease. It's made for those who want fast, smooth results, whether you're pureeing soup, mixing pasta sauce, or prepping a post-workout smoothie. What sets it apart? 16 adjustable speeds, giving you total control for everything from silky purees to chunkier sauces. And when you hit tougher ingredients, just tap the turbo mode for an instant power boost. This isn't just a blender, it's a full prep station. The set includes an 800 milliliters beaker, a 600 milliliters chopper bowl, a snap-on whisk, and a frother, perfect for everything from mashing onions to foaming milk. Weighing in light and designed for comfort, the ergonomic handle keeps things steady while you work. Most attachments are dishwasher safe, including the blending shaft, whisk, and frother, while the motor body and chopper lid just need a wipe down. What customers say, they find it works like a pro with excellent blending power for soups, smoothies, and pasta sauce. It's easier to use than traditional blenders, and users appreciate the multiple attachments, easy cleanup, and call it good value for the money. That said, build quality gets mixed reviews. While some praise the strong motor, others report it broke after light usage. Who should buy it? Home cooks who love versatility, value, and don't mind handling a few parts. Check the latest prices using the links in the description. If you're after serious blending power without the hefty price tag, the Shinla 1000W Immersion Blender delivers big performance in a sleek, easy-to-handle package. Featuring a 1000-watt heavy-duty copper brushless motor, this newly updated 2025 model offers the kind of strength you usually see in much pricier blenders. Whether you're working with hearty stews or thick soups, it cuts through ingredients like butter, as one customer put it. With 25 variable speed settings, you can dial in the exact power you need for each recipe, whether you're pulsing through protein shakes, emulsifying dressings, or pureeing vegetables for baby food. The scratch-resistant design is a win for your pots and pans, and the detachable blending arm makes cleaning incredibly easy. At just 16 ounces, it's lightweight but doesn't skimp on stability or feel. Just rinse the attachment or pop it into the dishwasher while the main unit wipes clean with a damp damp cloth. What customers say? They call it powerful, love the 1000W motor, and appreciate the variable speed control for precise blending. It's easy to clean, with one noting the detachable blending attachment help. The build quality gets high mark, with one saying it remains strong after months of use. Who should buy it? Budget-conscious cooks who want serious blending power and fine-tuned speed control. Don't forget, all the best buying links are in the description. If you love KitchenAid's iconic design and quality, the KitchenAid Variable Speed Corded Hand Blender in bold Empire Red is a stylish, compact powerhouse that's built to make blending effortless. With a 180-watt motor, it may not be the most powerful on paper, but don't underestimate it. It handles both raw and cooked foods with ease, from creamy soups and smoothies to silky sauces and dips. The removable 8-inch blending arm features a 4-point stainless steel blade that quickly breaks down ingredients. You also get a variable speed trigger switch, giving you precise control as you blend. Just squeeze more for extra speed. It's intuitive and smooth, especially when you're working with delicate or hot ingredients. The removable pan guard is a thoughtful touch, protecting your cookware from scratches while you blend directly in the pot. It includes a 3-cup BPA-free blending jar with lid, perfect for quick single servings and great for storing leftovers. The parts that touch food are dishwasher safe, and the motor housing just needs a quick wipe. At 2.4 pounds, it feels solid without being heavy, and it's easy to click attachments on and off. Also, you get a 1-year limited warranty. What customers say? They find it durable and well-built, with impressive power and great performance for creamy soups and sauces. The super easy to use, easy to clean, and a fantastic kitchen tool that's seen as good value for money. Who should buy it? Home cooks who want a dependable, easy-to-use immersion blender with just the right features. For the latest prices, check the links in the description. If you're looking for precision, control, and power in one compact kitchen tool, the Braun MQ5025 Hand Blender Multi-Quick Vario might just check all your boxes. Engineered in Germany and built with a 400-watt motor, it's not the highest wattage out there, but it punches well above its weight. Whether you're whipping up soups, purees, or even tackling frozen ingredients, this hand blender handles it all with smooth, consistent performance. What makes it special is the Vario Speed technology, which gives you 21 distinct speed settings, controlled with one hand, plus a turbo boost mode when you need that extra push. This lets you go from a gentle stir to a full power blitz in seconds. It also features Braun's Power Bell technology, combining ultra-hard stainless steel blades and a unique bell-shaped shaft that draws food inward. The result? Smoother blends with less suction and better control. At 2.6 pounds, it's sturdy but still comfortable to hold, and the splash control design keeps splatter to a minimum, so your countertops and clothes stay clean. While it's not dishwasher safe, it comes with a side attachment that's easy to clean and store, and Braun's Easy Click system lets you quickly swap attachments. What customers say? They love its build quality, calling it not lightweight or flimsy. It's easy to use and assemble, works perfectly, and is great for soups and purees. One user mentioned it can even handle frozen ingredients. The variable speed control is a consistent favorite. Who should buy it? Home cooks who want precision speed control, strong performance, and German-engineered quality. Grab it now on Amazon. I hope this helped you find the perfect immersion blender for your kitchen. If you're shopping on a budget, don't miss our video on the best immersion blenders under $50.